Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a look with the Modern Renaissance palette. If you guys like this look and want to know how to achieve this look, then just continue watching. So I already went ahead and did my foundation and my eyebrows just to speed things up a little quicker and we can go straight into the eye look. Today we're going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette. This palette is one of my favorite palettes. It's so beautiful. The colors in this are so pretty. I love this palette. So the first two colors that we're going to start off with is Love Letter and Venetian Red, and we're just going to mix those two colors together and just pack that on the lid. Once you've applied the shadow onto your lid, we're going to start blending this out. Once you've kind of blended it out, I do like to go back in with the same two colors that we used previously, and I do like to pack on more shadow. Totally up to you, however much you want to put. I want my eye look to be darker, so I'm going to put more. After I've packed on some more, I do like to go back in and finish blending. With a different blending brush, we're going to go back in and blend out our harsh lines. With the same blending brush that you use to blend out your harsh lines, I do like to go in with burnt orange to just finish blending that out. If you want a darker look, I do like to go in with Red Ochre and Venetian Red and mix those two together and pack that onto the lid as well. Once I finish doing the top shadow, I do like to go ahead and start to do the rest of my face. So now we're gonna go in with our concealer. Setting my face, I now like to go ahead and do my lower lash line. Today we're going to be using Love Letter and Venetian Red. Once I finish my lower lash line, I now like to go ahead and start to bronze my face. After I apply my bronzer, I like to now go in with my blush. Once I'm done with my blush, I like to go in with my highlight. Once I've applied all types of powders, I like to go in and set my face. After I put setting spray, I do like to go ahead and do my lashes, so I will do that off camera, so I will be right back. Now that I've applied my lashes, now we're going to go ahead and do our lips. Today we're just going to be doing a lip liner and gloss combo. We're going to be using MAC's Oak Liner. For gloss, we're going to be using Morphe's lip gloss in Chill. Next, I'm going to apply NYX's Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this pinkish cranberryish toned makeup look, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.